Hey, what's up, guys? PabloPipsFX here. It's been so long, guys, since I've really been out and just talking in my videos, but I'm still here, still been trading. Just been taking on a few other ventures that been taking up a lot of my time, but in the background, I've still been working on my automated systems and just my strategies, trying to perfect that for you guys. So this video is all about an update for our VIX75 and step index robot. A few of you guys might have saw us posting the results yesterday for that. So far so good, and today I just want to show you guys for day 2 the profits we've made so far. So this is just a follow-up update for robots performance, and my plan is just to give you guys a steady update this time uh, during the entire performance throughout the month. So just to kind of show you guys the consistency of the robot. Okay, so right now, as you see, let me go to my Deriv here. Alright, so for today alone, guys, as you can see, we have not lost any trades using our robot. It's just a consistent win streak. We went ahead and made sure that the robot was optimized specifically for VIX75 and step index. My intention is to further optimize this robot for other Deriv pairs, but right now we provide you with the robot and the optimized set files for step index and volatility 75. So basically, to get a robot, and just to and how it works is, once you get the robot, you simply install that onto your MetaTrader 5, and then you select the set file, and automatically the very same settings that are used here to get these results will be applied to your MetaTrader. So that's basically how it all works. Alright, so if you guys are already following us on YouTube or subscribe to us on YouTube, you would know the link for the robot would be in the description below. Let me just see if I can get to my channel. How do I get to my channel? Alright, so it would be this one right here. Alright, let's pause that. No, that's not it. Videos. So this video, tap on more, and then the link would be this link right here. Okay, guys. So all you do is just tap on this link right here, and it's gonna take you guys to Coinbase Commerce. They're the platform I use just because a lot of persons utilize crypto, and it's way easier for persons to use crypto. So you're going to tap on this link right here. Let me see if I can get this off the screen. So once you tap on this link, it's going to take you to Coinbase Commerce. And like I said, this is just like a commerce platform for you to buy products through the Coinbase entity. So right here, we can see our partner channel binary bot real account, where they actually specialize and partner with us for robot development and EA development and all of that. They are this separate entity. They do binary option robots, so you can definitely go ahead and check them out on YouTube as well. They're binary bot real account, and they have really profitable binary options robots for Deriv as well. So very great channel, very great content over there. So I encourage you to check out their content as well. Alright, so once you get to this page right here, it's going to say PabloPipsFX Deriv EA. Turn a $50 deposit into 1,000 using PabloPipsFX VIX75 and step index EA. Alright, and it's just as it says, because this has a 9.5 profit factor, which is almost a perfect win streak. So after that, you just put in your name and your email address. And this is very important. Once you put in the email address, that is where the robot and set files will be delivered to. Alright, it says your Deriv robot will be delivered to the email address used at checkout. Alright, so you want to make sure that your email address is correctly inputted there and your name is there so we can identify you for further verification if needed. Alright, so basically that's a nutshell of how it works. And as you can see, guys, right now we are up $842 for today alone, taking huge profits there on step on VIX75. If I go to my custom period, let's go to custom period right here, and let's do from today's 29th, so let's do from the 28th to the 29th, and we've made a total of $1,758, guys. $1,758. So really powerful stuff. I was also trying to test this out on VIX 100. It's not yet fully as optimized as VIX 100 1S. As you can see, we're still getting losses there on that, but as soon as we perfect the optimizations for those, we'll definitely stay in contact with you guys and just further update you. That is so important just for you to stay subscribed to the channel, guys. Stay subscribed, hit that bell, because I'm telling you, we'll be on a winning streak this entire month going into 2024 with our robot. Alright, and again, the link for that will be in the description below this video as well. Also, if you guys have any questions at all, reach out to us either through our Telegram or I'm on Instagram. Our Instagram link is also in the description. I'll try to get to all the messages I can, but you can, as you can see, total profits there between the 48 hours, guys, and we'll be watching this throughout the end of this month straight to the end of January to see its performance. Alright, so that's it for this video. Won't make it too long. Thank you so much just for stopping by my channel and checking out my worthless stuff that is so totally meaningless and has no value. This is not professional advice or recommendation, guys. This is just what I'm doing, and these are the results that I'm getting. If you want the same results, the link is in the description. See ya.